Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church, obviously not in my outdoor kitchen. I'm here in my brand new podcast studio. This is Meat Tweets, episode 5. Well, you guys have been in the comments asking for this. The first 4 episodes were so popular, we have finally brought it back. So this is where we highlight the ridiculousness of the haters, the ignorant, and just the dumbasses. This channel sucks. They just out for the almighty dollar. Yeti. How many Yeti products do you want in the video? Meat Church. Yes. This is just one giant sales pitch. Okay, well how about you use code FU for 10% off at meatchurch.com. This channel is like a QVC cooking show. That's actually a great idea, Elijah. Pump up those sales. It doesn't taste as good if you don't have the $40 Yeti bucket. You are correct, sir. Yeti buckets? Overpriced junk. Just use an empty fertilizer bucket. So Scott's Turf Builder is the secret ingredient in your Thanksgiving turkey. You're a man because you use an outdoor oven. You use a Traeger because they are paying you for this video. Stop lying to people. You know what really pisses me off with you? No, tell me. You'd rather soil your name to push a bullshit product to make a quick buck, rather than tell the truth. Nobody is on a Blanco kick. Stop lying to yourself and the people buying your shit. You're right, launching Blanco on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon did nothing for me. Be sure to check out episodes 1 through 4, where you will find my favorite comment of all time, like this.
Get your children out of the videos, bro. I'm a man and I want to watch videos about me. I hate children. Well, you.